Welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines on computer. Computer is invented by Pascal. The word computer is derived from the word compute. It is the combination of two things, hardware and software. It has different parts like keyboard, monitor and CPU. The CPU is called the brain of computer. In the beginning, computer was used only for calculation. Now they are used in every field. Computer is a reliable gadget that can store all information. We can learn many new things through computers. Computer is here to help us. We should not misuse it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.